Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send photos on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to send photos on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to send photos on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to send photos on WhatsApp. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sending photos on WhatsApp is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing camera icon at the top. You can send photos from there as well. If you are willing to send during a chat, it is also very easy. First of all, open a chat. Now you are seeing camera icon at the bottom right side. Click on it. Now select a photo and click on send icon. Your photo will be delivered. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send photos on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.